Hi friends, I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School. Thanks for coming to my channel. Be sure to subscribe so you get notifications of all the newest classes, and go to my website floatingyogaschool.com to sign up for my newsletter. This is a mini around the world flow, also called a Mandala Flow, where we move around our mat in all directions. So set yourself up however you're going to be comfortable. You can see and hear and figure out what we're doing. We're keeping it simple. We're sending the world a little love because we really need it right now. So let's get started standing at one edge of your mat. Take a moment here to ground down. Press into your feet. You might march it out or sway a little side to side. Make any adjustments with your clothing to feel comfortable and grounded. And then allow for some stillness. Feet to the earth. Lift your low belly, neutral pelvis. Relax your shoulders. Open up your chest and collarbones to let your heart shine. Eyes can be soft or closed. And begin to tune into your breath. Notice the flow in and out through your nose. Maybe you match the sound of the waves here with me. Maybe there's an intention you'd like to set for this little mini practice today. As you next inhale, reach your arms to the sky, look up. Exhale, forward fold, hinge from your hips. Feel free to bend your knees. Relax your head and neck at the bottom. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. As you exhale, hands down, step just your right foot back. Take a moment, sink your hips, reach your heart forward, breathe in. Exhale, downward facing dog, left foot meets your right. Inhale here. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot forward between your hands. Sink your hips, breathe in, long spine. Exhale, forward fold, left foot meets your right. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, release. Inhale, rise up, reach your hands high. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Next inhale, chair pose, sit low, weight into your heels. Relax your shoulders, breathe here for a moment. Notice where it feels challenging, where you can soften. Inhale as you are. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands down, left foot steps back this time. Sink your hips, breathe in, heart forward. Downward facing dog. Exhale, right foot meets left. A full breath in and out. If you want to add some movement, feel free, but we're keeping it simple today. So feel free to be in that simplicity. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, step forward between your hands. Take a breath in, lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold, right foot meets your left. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, release. Rise up, reach up, hands to the sky. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Weight into your left foot, bring your right foot up like you're taking a step, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale to a warrior three, send your foot back, your heart forward. It doesn't have to be super high, it's still early in this little mini practice. Strong left leg, both glutes are turned on, right hip is down, in line with your left. Breathe in. Breathe out, low lunge, hands down, step your right foot back. Sink your hips like you've done before, inhale. This time as you exhale, turn to the back of your mat, turn your low lunge all the way back. And it's okay if it's awkward. Oftentimes transitions are. Breathe in, find length and space. Breathe out, step forward, left foot meets your right, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, release. Inhale to rise, hands sweep up. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Inhale back to that one-legged Tadasana, same side, right leg high. Exhale to your warrior three, send your foot back. This time play with arms wide. Find a breath in. Find your breath out. Inhale, reach your arms forward. And exhale, step back, high crescent lunge. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale here. Exhale, warrior two, open to the side. Take a moment to find your alignment, adjust as you need. Strong legs, strong core, but don't overthink it. Be in the moment. Feel your body. Notice what you need, what's going on. Inhale, star, left leg straight. Arms out wide in a T. Exhale, warrior two in the opposite direction. Feel it. Breathe it. Reverse warrior, breathe in, reach it up and back. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Step back to your downward facing dog. You can stay here. You can take a little flow with me. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, your up dog or cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. Bend your knees, breathe in, look to your hands. Step or hop, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold, release. Rise up, reach up. Palms together in front of your heart. Same little flow, left, left, both sides. Weight into your right foot this time. Your left leg lifts, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale to your warrior three, send your foot back. So play with the balance. Find the strength through your standing leg. It's okay if you wobble. Notice where you can feel length. Breathe in. Low lunge as you breathe out. Hands down, left foot steps back. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, we're going to turn to the other side of your mat. Find that little crawl around. Find your lunge. Breathe in here. Step forward, forward fold. Breathe out. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold, release. Inhale, rise, hands up. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Weight into your right foot again, one-legged Tadasana, left knee high, breathe in. Warrior three as you breathe out. Reach your arms wide, take up space. Using your full mat today, find that breath. Next, inhale, arms over your head. And exhale, step back to your high crescent lunge. Breathe in. Warrior two as you breathe out. Right knee is bent. And it can get confusing as we move around. Which leg am I on? That's okay. Be in the mistakes. Feel yourself feeling whatever you feel. And continue to breathe. Inhale, star pose, heels in, toes out, reach wide. Exhale, warrior two in the opposite direction. Turn your toes, left knee is bent this time. Reverse warrior, legs stay the same. Stretch up and back. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Make your way to downward facing dog. Left foot steps back. You can stay or take a flow. High plank, breathe in. Chaturanga as you breathe out. Up dog or cobra. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Full inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, make some noise, let it go. Again, breathe in. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale, bend your knees, look to your hands. Exhale, step or hop. Lift halfway. Fold, release. Inhale, rise, hands up. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. We're going to add on a little. This time starting with tree pose. Weight into your left foot. Right foot comes up, ankle, calf, or thigh. Steady your eyes. Steady your breath. Maybe you reach your arms overhead. Bring your hands to your heart. Draw your right knee forward. Take your breath in. Warrior three as you breathe out. Take your arms forward if that's okay for you. Find length, inhale. Standing splits as you exhale. Right leg high. Relax your head and neck. You might say here your left knee might be bent. You can play with hands to your left ankle or calf. You can play with some handstand hops. I'm simply going to hold it today. Feel the stretch. Let's take one more full round of breath. As you exhale, step your right foot to the back of your space. Again, we're going to turn this time into a Skandasana surfer squat. Right toes turn out, right knee bends. Let your hips sink as low as is comfortable. Still very early for me in the morning. It's not quite 7 o'clock. So I'm going to be here. You might be a little lower. Breathe into your inner thigh, your groin. And then turn all the way to the back of your space. Find your low lunge. Adjust as you need. Left palm down, right arm up for a twist. Try to draw your right hip back. Press through your left heel. You can always lower your left knee for more support. Deep breath in. Exhale, release. Forward fold. Left foot steps up to meet your right. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Let it go. Inhale, rise. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Weight into your left foot. Right foot comes up. Again, your tree pose. This time, maybe you play with adding a twist. Right hand back, left arm forward. Just a little challenge. Fall out, find the edge of balance, come back to it. Bring it back to center. Hands high, knee high. Warrior three, foot back, arms forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more inhale. We're going to step to a warrior two as you exhale. Right foot to the back of your space. Open up. Your left knee is bent. Like we did before, inhale, star pose, reach. Exhale, warrior two in the opposite direction. This time, right knee bent. Reverse warrior, reach it up and back. And side angle, right forearm to your thigh, left arm to the sky. Slide your shoulders down your back. Open up your heart. Breathe here for 2 full breaths. Release your hands down. Carry your right leg up and back, 3-legged dog. Open up your hip, bend your knee, explore movement. If you want to flip for a wild thing, you've got some time. If you want to release to a child's pose, take a moment to reset. Or simply make your way to downward facing dog, however and whenever you feel ready. Inhale, bend your knees, look to your hands. Exhale, step or hop, top of your space. Halfway lift, breathe in. Forward folds, breathe out. Inhale, rise, reach. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Tree pose on your left side. Well, weight on your right foot, left knee comes up. Find your balance. Palms press together. Draw your left knee forward, breathe in. Warrior three as you breathe out. Maybe you take your arms out in front. Maybe you already went there. It doesn't always have to be perfectly symmetrical. And I'll be honest, I may not remember what we did the first side. Breathe in. Standing splits as you breathe out. Feel the stretch in your right leg or whatever you notice. That's what I'm noticing. If you want to play with balance, hands to your ankle or calf. If you want to play with handstand, plant your palms. One more breath in. Use your exhale to step your left foot to the back of your space. Breathe in, sink your hips. Breathe out, Skandasana to the left. Left toes turn out, left knee bends. Get your hips as low as feels good. I'm already a little bit more open, maybe a little bit more depth. Still feeling and breathing into sensation. And then turn to frame your left foot. Low lunge. Right palm down, left arm up for your twist. Feel your spine get long, rotate open through the middle of your ribs. Breathe in. Inhale. Exhale, release. Step up, right foot meets your left. Lift halfway, breathe in. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, reach. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Weight to your right foot one more time. Tree pose, Vrikshasana, left foot up. Maybe you play with that open arm twist, left arm back, right arm forward. Can you keep your hips even? Just rotate your upper half. Bring it back to center, arms high, one-legged Tadasana. Warrior three, reach your arms forward, your foot back. Find the length and space. Deep breath in. Warrior two, step back as you breathe out. Inhale, star pose. Exhale, warrior two in the opposite direction, left knee bend. Reverse warrior, reach up and back. Side angle, forearm down, right arm high. Rotate your heart open, get light on your left forearm. Notice if your shoulder wants to collapse in. Full inhale. Exhale, release, hands frame your left foot. Three-legged dog, carry it up and back. Open up your hip, bend your knee. Take movement, a flip. You decide what you need here. And as you're ready, we'll meet in a downward facing dog. Bend your knees, breathe in, lift to your hands. Step or hop, top of your space. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Tuck and curl into a little ball. Drop your heels, round your forehead to your knees. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And then come to a kneeling position. I'm going to step back, readjust. Begin to stand on our knees for a camel pose. I like toes tucked under. You might be better on the tops of your feet. Hands to your back pockets. Hug your elbows in, lift your heart. Stay here. Try to keep your hips right above your knees. Or if you'd like and you have the space, one or both hands to your heels. Keep pressing hips forward. Keep lifting your heart. For my neck, it feels a little better chin tucked. You can always gently open your neck. But move slowly. Let's see how that goes. As you're ready, gently come out. Take a seat or a child's pose. I like a counter stretch. Hands interlaced, palms forward, chin to chest. Release. We're going to meet in a seated position. I'm going to flip directions just to give the other side a little love since we started facing that way. You sit however you like. Legs out in front. Tall spine, breathe in. Hinge over your legs as you breathe out. Let your head and neck go. Notice here what else your body wants. A twist, another back bend, some other movements. As you're ready, gently make your way back up to a seat to end our practice, or if you prefer, come onto your back. Let yourself get settled. Let yourself feel grounded, supported. Eyes soft or closed, and if you're finishing up movement, take your time. You can press pause or simply know that I'm going to end this, but you can continue. Back to the sound and feeling of your breath. Just as you moved around your space, and you send love and energy and breath all around your body, and to those in your orbits that you meet every day or every week. Notice how it feels to be still. And hang out here a little longer and begin to invite some movements. Fingers, toes, wrists, ankles, maybe open your eyes. Come to a seat if you're not there. And pause with your hands at your hearts. Give yourself thanks for moving, for breathing, for taking up space, and for spreading positive energy around by taking care of yourself so you can better take care of others in your life. We're going to bow our heads together in silence. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Stay tuned. I've got some fun retreats coming up in 2024. So more to come on those.